Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to use default ingredients. So sometimes on items, especially food, we attach default ingredients. Uh, so anytime we think that there might be a chance that someone may not want a certain ingredient on that food item, we go on ahead and try to add it. Now let me show you why and what that looks like. So we'll go ahead and select taco. And if you notice here, it didn't pop up anything here because there's no required modifier attached to this taco. It's just optional modifiers. So anytime there's not a required modifier attached to the item, it's never going to pull it up over here. You always got to go and select the item and able to get to those. So when we select it, now we can see all of our optional modifiers, which in this case we're using our default ingredients, we're using an optional modifier for. So if you notice that these are already blue, and that's because they're pre-selected in the system. So the system knows that a taco gets cheese, lettuce, and tomatoes. So let's say, for example, this person wanted to order a taco with meat and cheese only. So they don't want the lettuce and tomato. So then you would unhighlight tomato and unhighlight lettuce. And you notice over here that it put a line through it and put no tomato and no lettuce. And it was real quick and easy, just a couple button presses, and it looks good. It's going to make sense to the person making it, and it's going to show up on the receipt and look a lot better, in my opinion. But that's all there is to it in using default ingredients. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.